We Air Force News Review narrators are usually heard and not seen. But after 2 years at this microphone, I asked to get out in front of the camera to tell you about our next subject. I think you'll like it. It's a high-stepping, high-flying song about the Air Force, recorded by Mitch Miller's orchestra and chorus. Our film editor has put together some pretty interesting Air Force scenes to fit the music. It's a tune that'll probably have you ready to count cadence. Okay, roll it. The U.S. Air Force Blue.
Touch of old glory's hue, and gave it to the men who proudly wear the U.S. Air Force blue. The U.S. Air Force blue. Oh, they are men with a dream on America's team. They're a rugged and ready crew, and you can bet your boots the world looks up to U.S. Air Force blue. The blue